Hello, you're watching the economic calendar for the first part of the week on ИнстаФорекс TV. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. Let us review statistics traders are going to pay much attention to at the break of the week. The Canadian authorities are expected to release an April reading of IV PMI. The index is seen to drop to 58.3 points. In the previous month, the index constituted 61.6 points, up from 51.1 points registered in February. Experts had thought it would climb to 52.4 points. IV PMI is based on a survey conducted by Richard Ivey School of Business at the University of the Western Ontario. Readings above 50 points point to growth, whereas those below this benchmark suggest a slowdown. Moving on, Australia will unveil a report on foreign trade for March. Analysts suppose the trade surplus will come at 0.20 billion Australian dollars. In February, the trade balance of the country was negative. The seasonally adjusted indicator was equal to minus 0.18 billion Australian dollars, even though the deficit had been forecasted to constitute 1 billion Australian dollars. During the reporting period, Australia's exports rose by 3%, while imports shrank by 1%. Meanwhile, in Switzerland, an April reading of the CPI is going to be brought to public. According to the forecast, the index is likely to gain 0.1% on a monthly basis and fall by 0.5% year-on-year. In March, the consumer prices in Switzerland grew by 0.2%, having risen by 0.3% in February. Analysts had projected the prices to increase by 0.3%. It is worth noting that the Swiss consumer prices went up for the second month straight in March. The prices dropped by 0.6% annually, despite the forecasted 0.5% decline. You are watching the economic calendar for the first part of the week on InstаForexx TV. Have a nice day. Goodbye.